Winter's come early to the Pacific Northwest, it seems like. But we've got this tree in the backyard. I had to cut down all the branches a couple of years ago because a windstorm broke most of them down. So it's just stumps here, and I've always wondered what I could do with this. So we're going to cut down a couple of chunks off of this tree here and see what the wood's like for turning. Let's give it a try. It's just kind of parked here next to my trailer at my home office here in the backyard. Let's see what happens. Okay, well that was kind of an adventure. We took some branches off a tree in my backyard that's been dead for a couple of years and put it between centers on a lathe and got it between a chuck and made some peg people out of it. I made a dad and a mom and 3 kids just to be like my family. I've got the dad right here. So what I will say is that this wood is not good for turning. At least not, some of the branches were better than others, some were a little different. The pieces that I had, mostly when I roughed it out, it was really just kind of crumbling. So torn out end grain everywhere that was mostly impossible to get rid of. Pretty soft. I sanded the best I could. Some of this tear out I just didn't bother trying to get to fix. I mean, it was just kind of crumbling in some places. But because it was for my backyard, I wanted to make my family out of it. So that was kind of fun. I think what I would do different, obviously if I were going to make peg people again, use a harder wood of some known species or some better turning wood. But this was fun, and this actually has some interesting figure in it. The one that I used for the dad, anyway, was from a different branch, but other pieces of that branch were just really falling apart, so I just didn't bother to keep going. But I had a good time, and the kids love it, actually. They're going to have a good time playing with these. They don't care if there's a little torn out end grain or whatever. They're not too worried about that. So had a good time. Made some peg people here for my family. And that's it for the video this week. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and feel free to leave any comments that you want to, and I'll be sure to answer them. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.